Hi, I'm Lauren McCullough and this is my colleague Callum Morrison from the William Wood High School Biology Department. The Biology Department has lots of resources online that you can access through the school website. One of the key resources I would encourage you to look at is the past paper topic grid. The past paper topic grid you can use to help you focus your studies and revision. There's various years on the topic grid and the course has been split into key areas or topics. So for example, if you wanted to revise some respiration, you would look at the topic grid and it would tell you what years and what questions you could focus your revision on. There's also lots of other resources on the Biology Department website, things like any sort of resource you will get in class. Other websites to have a wee look at are the SQA website, Scholar and Bitesize for lots of revision quizzes.
So once you're at home, lots of the resources that you should be using are the resources that you get given in class. So really you'll be looking at your learning outcome sheets, evaluation sheets from tests, obviously your class notes, and if you have something like the Bright Red Revision Guide, that'll be really useful to help you focus your study. The evaluation sheets will be great because they will be able to identify any areas for improvement, and that can be the beginning and the target of your studying. Once you have identified these, what you'll be looking for then is to try and find out a method of study that really helps you, and largely some of the ones that biology lends itself to are things like producing study cards and mind maps. Now you can look at the school website and follow the link there to give yourself some more detail of how you actually produce mind maps and study cards for a chosen subject.
Biology is really lucky in that it lends itself to lots of different revision techniques which will help you as an individual learner. But no matter what revision technique you choose, it's always really important that if you have any questions or you're struggling that you contact your biology teacher.